airborne. The features a very straight wing. If you'll notice, as Carl is rolling up, the wing is mounted right at the midpoint of the fuselage. And the fuselage is a perfectly conical shape, tapering from the nose all the way back to the tail with a point. The horizontal stabilizer is also located right at the center line of the fuselage in the rear, the same as the nose. This provides the greatest amount of thrust generated from the engine and that three-blade propeller to fly over the tail. This is what gives these aircraft incredible maneuvering capabilities. On the upline now, he rolls the aircraft one half and then pushes the stick forward outside over the top and then down to the 45 degrees. Unbelievable aircraft now, end over end, tail over nose. This is what I'm talking about. Auto gyroscopic effect of the engine. The slow turning propeller has a very large